Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring how to get a radio operator license for aviation. This license is key for pilots and aviation maintenance technicians to communicate safely in the air. Let's simplify the FCC's steps and rules for this important license. Radio communication is the backbone of aviation safety, enabling pilots and emergency responders to communicate over vast distances. With the proper license, individuals can operate radio equipment legally and proficiently, ensuring the seamless flow of communication crucial for navigating the skies. In aviation, the Commercial Radio Operator License is an FCC certification vital for operating, maintaining, or repairing radio communication apparatus in aircraft and fixed public communication services worldwide. Despite the commercial tag, this certification spans beyond just commercial pilots to include anyone working with aviation radio equipment. Pilots can operate aircraft radios with a restricted radio telephone operator permit, RR, a straightforward certification without the need for testing. This permit, costing $35 as of 2023, is a permanent fixture in your professional toolkit, allowing for legal operation of radio equipment linked to an FCC radio station permit. Holding a commercial operator license is a compliance. This license is mandatory for operating specified aircraft radio communication stations and for all aeronautical ground stations communicating with aircraft, ensuring that every message, instruction, and alert is transmitted and received clearly and effectively. Applying for an FCC license may seem daunting, but it starts with the FCC Form 605, your gateway to entering the world of licensed radio operation. The form is available on the FCC's official website, coupled with the Universal Licensing System, ULS, simplifies the application process, guiding you towards obtaining your license efficiently and correctly. Obtaining a radio operator license is more than a regulatory hurdle. It's a step towards a safer, more connected aviation community. This license not only equips you with the legal authority to operate radio equipment, but also deepens your understanding of communication's critical role in aviation safety. Thank you for joining us today. Whether flying or maintaining aviation gear, remember that clear communication is critical to safety and smooth operations. Let's work towards a future where every message helps keep our skies running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and safe travels until we meet again.